Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. It's Kerry here from Kerry Love Cat with 4 different turkeys that you can make for your Thanksgiving appetizer platter. The first one is the Antioxidant Turkey. We just used pomegranate seeds, blueberries, strawberries, and cuties. And then we made the head out of an apple and some raisins for the eyes. The second one is all over the internet and we love it. We've been making it for years. I am not the original creator of this one, but you can make it different every year, different vegetables. This year we used peppers, carrots, celery, and and cucumbers. I cut up cucumber sticks. And then of course hummus, and then a mushroom to make the turkey head. The third one I call the hydration turkey because we just cut up a mini watermelon and then I used pieces of the rind to make the head. Of course, you gotta use those raisins for the eyes, and I used a little piece of a cutie for the beak. The fourth one is what I like to call the gluten-free turkey. We use 3 different kinds of gluten-free crackers and organic brand cheeses, 4 different kinds. We use the cheese stick, the cheddar cheese stick, mozzarella cheese stick, and then I believe Colby and Monterey Jack, or maybe cheddar, I don't remember. But all of these are so easy to make on a platter or a pizza tray, which makes it really easy. We got our pizza trays at Target. I hope that this helps someone out there. If you have to bring something to Thanksgiving and you don't have time to cook, this is a super easy and fun way. It's always a crowd pleaser and kids love it. It's a great way to get them to eat their fruits and vegetables. So happy Thanksgiving from our family to yours. Mwah. See you in the next video.